In the previous video, we created the greet function that greets us every time we open the program. Friday, tell me a joke.
Welcome back, sir. The current time is 1:05 and 50 seconds. The current date is 26/7/2020. Friday at your service. How I can help you?
Now, in this video, we will add more features to it, like it can wish us according to the time. If it's morning, it will say good morning, afternoon, and good evening, according to the time. So, now let me define a variable here that will get us the current time. I will name it as hour and set it equal to datetime.now.hour. So it will get the current hour and save it in the variable hour. Well, the next series of lines consist of if-else statements like if the time is between 6 am and 12 pm, then it should say good morning, and if the time is between 12 pm and 18 pm, then it should say good afternoon, and if it is between 18 pm and 24, then it should say good evening. Otherwise, if the time is between midnight and 6 am, it should say good night. So now it is done. Now let's call the function at the end and let's see if it works or not.
Welcome back, sir. The current time is 1:09 and 32 seconds. The current date is 26/7/2020. Good afternoon. Friday at your service. How I can help you?
So it worked correctly. Now you might be wondering why I added the how can I help you line. So in the next video we will create a function that can take the input from the user as their voice and convert it into text.